Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to download PayPal app on your phone. So guys, this video will be made for iPhone users only, so we will be using the App Store to go and find the application and of course go and download it. So as I said, only for iPhone users. So first of all guys, as I said, go to your App Store, as you can see as I open it now, and you'll have the today's screen here. You'll also have the Games tab, you'll have the Apps, the Arcade, but we, of course, guys, need the search bar, where, of course, you just need to go and type in PayPal. So you'll need to type PAYPAL and click on Search. Now, as you can see, the first application here is PayPal. So you just need to go and enter the application. And, of course, here you can see a lot of things. So you can see the rating, the age, the chart, developer language, and the size of the application. What you need to do is click on Get. Now guys, when the application has been downloaded, of course, all you need to do is go and open it and of course, use it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as said, that would be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.